Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Let's Crack It. And today I'm back with a new video which is about the Cognizant Gen Z interview experience of an ECE student. And this student has got selected in the Cognizant after this interview. And coming to our video, before diving into our video, if you really like my content, please subscribe to my channel and also like, share and comment to my videos. So moving on to our very first question, it is self-introduction or to tell about yourself. I have already told you that this is one of the most anticipated questions in every interview. So everyone should prepare very well to include what in your self-introduction. So, and this is the best opportunity for anyone to include the skills which are not even mentioned on the resume, like some extracurricular activities or your other skills. Even it's one of the best opportunities. So, in a nutshell, I think self introduction is the best opportunity to expose your skills, and also one should prioritize what to tell or include in that. So, coming to our next question, this girl has mentioned her participation in various clubs and also her contribution as a board member in various clubs in her college. So, the interviewer has asked about her role in various clubs and also various positions in the clubs. So, I think by this we can understand that whatever we are mentioning in our self introduction or resume, definitely they are going to ask us. So be prepared to tell or face these kind of questions. These kind of questions can only be answered from the real life experiences, like what really she has done or contributed to the club, and also you can say ready-made answers like they have conducted several events, they have organized technical, non-technical events, so such kind of stuff. And thirdly, she was asked to tell about her project. So I think an interview without asking about the project is incomplete. So you guys can understand how important it is to prepare about the project, and it can be asked either technically or functionally. So if technically, they might ask what are the technical technologies you have used or software you have used, and how did you get the source, these kind of questions. They might not go in deep, but definitely you have to be ready to tell. And moving on, what is your role in the project? See, most of you guys are complaining what is the difference between tell about your project and what is the role in your project. And now I would like to differentiate between these two questions. See, when we are asked to tell about the project, we need to be able to include all details about the project. We must be able to tell everything related to the project, on the technologies used, how it is implemented, everything. But coming to the role, you can only include the specific part or exclusive part which you have contributed, like only the work done by you. You can include only that. And moving on, she was asked some basic questions related to data structures, like what is a stack or what is a linked list, and also what is the difference between the stack and the queue. These kind of questions were asked, and those were very basic questions. And moving on, she was asked to code a program for reversing a string, and she was asked to do compile, I mean, type it in the online compiler. So for this code, we can write many logics. Like if you are a Python programmer, you can write the code within a single line, like using reverse indexing. And if you are writing it in C, you can use the for loop and reverse a string. Even in C++ or Java or Python, directly we can use string libraries for reversing a string. But most of the interviewers won't accept it. You need to manually reverse a string, like using the for loop or any logic. And then she was asked some HR questions like why Cognizant. And definitely this question can be answered in many ways and many unique ways. So common ways of answering it is like Cognizant is one of the top MNC companies. So one would always like to work in Cognizant. And then she was asked why should we hire you? I think even this is also one of the most common HR questions. So for this question, you can answer like saying you feel that you are fit enough for this role, you possess all the required skills which are required for this role. In this way, you can answer it. And finally, any questions for the interview. So by this, we are done with the interview. So guys, thanks for watching, and definitely I feel that this video is going to help you for sure. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.